Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. In my previous video I mentioned that I'll be sharing the details of where I procure my plants. Here it goes. I've been to many shops and nurseries, however, this place stands out among all. It's because they have huge collection of succulents which you'll not find anywhere in the city. The name of the garden mall is Dream Green, which is located in Korattur, and it takes around 5 km to reach this place from Ananagar. The quality of every plant they have is inarguably the best. Not only that, the way they've maintained the nursery aesthetically is really good. What makes this place higher standard is they use coco peat based soilless medium to all the plants. Coco peat is emerging as a rich resource for a variety of products as well as soilless gardening. Coco peat is highly absorbent, holds around 30% more water than most peat. It is also excellent at retaining water, and it is also able to release it slowly in order for your plant to better absorb it. This do an excellent job of keeping your plants healthy due to its antifungal properties. It acts as resistant to mold, which in turn will help protect your plant from diseases and decay as they grow. Besides, it is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc and other necessary substances for farming. This eliminates the need for fertilizers, herbicides and pesticides, as peat itself carries ample nutrients. Not only that, the plants which pick from local nurseries have higher mortality rate. It's because the soil they use is illegally extracted, which has less nutrient, which in most cases is not suitable for plants, and making it prone to diseases, and plant does not last too long. If you are a beginner in gardening and not sure which plants to buy for your home, staffs working here will guide you. They are really knowledgeable to assist your queries, so one can easily get clarified about maintenance and caring of plants. If you would like to customize your planting options, they even have gardening accessories like ceramic pots, plastic pots, self-watering pots, etc. A perfect one-stop shop to buy all the needs to start your own gardening. If you want the complete address, kindly check the description box below. Thanks for watching, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified.